Hello, women. This is Kendra with Spirit Alive. I want to talk to you today about something that is of the utmost importance. So if you are doing anything else right now, stop. If you are multitasking, just put aside anything and everything that you are doing except for be here now, okay? Because the important thing that I want to talk to you about is your aliveness. You are here to be fully alive. No exceptions, no compromise. And right now, there is a major shift, an occurrence that is transpiring on this planet, and you are a part of that. And what you're feeling stirring inside of you is a part of that. And we are shifting from one way of being and a certain kind of consciousness to another. Now, what does this have to do with your aliveness? I can tell you it has everything to do with it, and it has a lot to do with the true nature of who you are and what you are designed for in this life. So, with that said, I am very excited to inform you of and invite you to a free seminar that is being hosted by myself and this fabulous woman that, if you have not had the opportunity to get to know, I really encourage you to come to this call. Connor Sauer is an amazing teacher, mentor, guide who has had major influence on my life and that of thousands of women. And so I am very proud and privileged to be collaborating with her again in this terrain of the soul. You know, I work with a lot of women, as does she, and one of the common universal threads that comes up as part of the obstacle or the frustration or the stuckness in our lives is that of merging the true nature of who we are, our authentic core self, with our life, so that who we are comes out in our career, comes out through our relationship with money, through our relationships with other people, whether that be our family or our beloved, our partner, our co-workers, any and every arena of your life. You can know a greater ease and joy and a contentment with what is through honoring your soul's path. And that's what we want to talk to you about. We want to talk to you about what's going on right now, the shift that's occurring, how it's affecting you, what are some of the conditions of the absence of the soul in your life, and most importantly, what you can begin to do right now and to maintain in your daily life that will enable you to dissolve the gap between who you are and who you want to be, and dissolve that gap between your soul's path and your day-to-day living, so that you integrate that and you know it. And you know what? When you live in accordance with, and harmony with, and rhythm with your soul's path, absolutely you will know a natural joy, a natural freedom, a natural peace. It's one of the benefits, you know, it's just one of the natural results of it. And so I know you want more of that. I know that I've wanted more of it, and that's what I've dedicated my life to. And both Connor and myself are very passionate about this material. It is our life's work, and so we invite you to join with us and consider crossing that threshold of the soul into a terrain of beingness that is just absolutely divine. All right, so come to this call on April 7th, read this page, get signed up, and we will talk with you then. All right, bye.